Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is the new July release by ScrapDivaDesigns.com. It was released yesterday on the 1st. These are all the dies that I received in my package. This is her information. It will be linked below. I do have a discount code for you. That's V10%. That's VEE10 and the percent sign. Also, follow the hashtag to gain more inspiration from other talented crafters. So the first die that I would like to go over is the Mini Heart Shaker Sunglasses die. It comes in 2 sizes and it comes with 10 pieces. So this die you're able to make a shaker, or you can also make it without a shaker. It's great for card making. It's also good for scrapbooking and paper crafting. So you guys all know that I will be doing some paper crafting with this die. So she did make a larger one last year, so this is kind of the smaller one. The next die we're featuring is the Zigzag Pinwheel die. It comes with 9 pieces and 3 different sizes. It varies from small to large, and for the large one, the size is approximately 2 3/4 of an inch. The medium one is approximately 2 1/4 of an inch, and the smaller size is approximately just slightly 1 3/4 of an inch. So you do get 9 pieces, and I do see a base and a layering piece, and you get the zigzag edges there. So I love pinwheels. You guys know that I do love pinwheels. The next one is the jellyfish die. It is 12 pieces and you get 2 sizes. So the larger size is the front, and it's approximately 1 3/4, and the smaller size is approximately 1 1/2. And the next one is the soda bottle, and this one is a shaker. It comes with 9 pieces. The size is approximately 5 5/8 of an inch by 2 1/4 of an inch. The next one is the Flip Flop Mini Album die set. It's 16 pieces. The size is approximately 6 1/2 by 5 1/4, and you get flowers and you get the miniature flip-flops. The next one is the popsicle gift box. It has 8 pieces. The approximate size is 2 3/4 of an inch by 4 3/4 of an inch with the stick. So without the stick, I'm not sure what that would be. But this one is a cute one. It's a cute box. You can put some embellishments in. I can't wait to play with this one. So we get some amazing ones for July. The next one is the jelly tote bag. It comes with 5 pieces. The approximate size is 5 3/4 of an inch by 5 1/2 of an inch. And can't wait to play with that one as well. The beach ball mini album, 8 pieces you get, and the size is approximately 5 3/8 of an inch by 5 3/8 of an inch. You get the bathing suits, the miniature bathing suits, the surfboard, as well as the umbrella. So these are all of the pieces, and what I'm going to be featuring with you is the Summer Words die number 2. Again, that's a typo. Surfing, swimming, picnic, sunshine, cocktails, and ice cream are the sentiments that you get, and I'm going to feature the sunshine. I made some tags here. I wanted to show you how to make some faux acetate word ephemera using laminator sheets. So here I'm showing you how to remove the sentiments from the base, and I do everything just like Erica at Scrap Diva 29. I use my nipper tool as well as my pliers. They're jewelry pliers. So here I am just snipping off the pieces that hold on to the sentiment, and so I just snip it off with those nipper tools there, and that way you get a very clean and flush die cut. So here are all of the sentiments that I used. I did use a yellow color and a white background for them. I think I would go with a different color. You may see that on my Instagram and my TikTok. I think the yellow is just too light. I was going for a sunshine since we are working with sunshine and it is summer, so I thought yellow would be fitting. However, I am liking the black, so I may just go with black. Who knows? We will see. tomorrow. So I am working with my laminator machine. This one is the Basics from Amazon. I'm also using some laminator sheets. I have so many laminator sheets. I bought a box of 100 a while ago on Amazon as well. So here you just put your die cut in and make sure that the dot for the eye is set right. Otherwise, when you go and die cut this out, it's not going to match. So, and you'll see later how it is a little bit too high. So here I'm just varnishing the laminator sheets there. And so I got my machine, it's all ready to go. It did turn red, but it really fast turned to green, and so I was able to keep going with this. So I just inserted the laminator sheet right through. When using some cardstock just to hold it straight to make sure it doesn't bend. Sometimes this laminator wants to bend the sheets, and so I had to start over. I didn't want to go that far, so I need to get out my heavy duty die cutting machine. So took out my Spellbinders Platinum to die cut this out, considering it is laminator sheet. It is very thick. So this is it right here, the Faux Acetate Word Ephemera, just like Maggie Holmes had in several of her collections. I think it was Sunny Days as well as Flourish. I saw some, possibly another one. I used them all up, and I'm so glad that I'm able to make my own now. So I am using this punch, a circle punch from Hobby Lobby, and I will link the size at the description below. I'm using the very small size circle hand punch. So all I'm doing is punching out a hole there, and that's for my jump ring. So I will insert a jump ring there and add it to my embellishments. So I wanted to do the black, that way it would pop with the yellow. And so these are some tags I made. I also made the pineapple clip there, and I hand painted that as well. And my tags here made with the Flourish collection, as well as the flowers die from scrapdivadesigns.com. The tag is also scrapdivadesigns.com. Unfortunately, it has been sold out. However, cross your fingers for a restock on that. So keep a lookout for that, and hopefully it'll be restocked. It is the Christmas tag. It comes with some snowflakes, and it's one of those interactive tags where you can open and close it. However, I'm using it as just a one layer tag. So there it is right there. So I'm adding my jump rings here that I picked up from Hobby Lobby and inserting it into the Faux Acetate Word Ephemera, and decided to add a second jump ring to the background of my, not the background, but the huge lemon slice there. I'm using it as a background for my tag. That's just a decorative purpose that I'm using for a swap that I'm in. And so I decided to sneak this out and give a sneak peek, so whoever's in that group swap will know exactly what I'm talking about. So a little sneak here. This is my tag, and just adding that Faux Acetate Word Ephemera. So here I noticed that my son broke my pliers, and so I was fidgeting there trying to get it right, and so I was able to work it out. So I do need some new ones, so I will be going to Michael's pretty soon and picking some up. So this is my project here. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully you will make some of these as well and gift them in your swaps. And if you do, tag me. I would love to see and support you and put you on my Instagram stories. So I will see you in the next video. Oh, I do have an update on my mini album. I got behind, so I do want to let you guys know a mini album, the series number 3, is coming out very soon. So stay tuned, you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.